Hi, I'm Ming. I'm the Squarespace website designer. In today's video, I want to share how you can adjust the focal point using code. Unfortunately, at this moment, the focal point setting for the portfolio is not available. So we have to do that using code. And how do we do that? Let's see. Keep watching this video. So now in the Squarespace, you'll see that I've uploaded this really nice picture, but on the web page, it doesn't look that nice. I want to move my image more to the top, so I need to use code. And now I have to go to the development tool and see how I can do that. So I will move my mouse to this section, and we'll see that this section is called grid dumps, and below it we have grid items, and there are 4 portfolio projects, so I have 4 grid items. So then I will targeting on the grid items, and please notice that there's also href and the URL here. We will targeting on it too, but that's first targeting on the grid item. So I will go to the CSS custom panel here, and then and then I will targeting on grid item. And because I'm targeting on the image, so I will put the image and the curly bracket. And now I want to use the CSS property named object position. So you will see that you can position your image the way you want it, and I figure out I can type top, so then the image will move all the way to the top. So I will use object position and top, and I will put an important tag to make sure that my code works. So now you see that my image looks better, but there's a problem. This CSS code applies to all the images, not just this one. So you see like the project 1 image, it doesn't look that good in my opinion. So now you see this is before the code, it looks better. I like it this way more. I don't like this, so I want to make sure that my code only works for the second image, for this picture, for the project 2. And how do I do that? I can use the pseudo elements property. It's called nth child, and I want to have a bracket because I want to target on the second item, so I put 2. Then it will only work on the second image, project 2 here. However, it is not a good way to code like this because it is not very efficient. It takes a lot of work. Once I have more projects, then this project 2 is not the second image anymore, so I have to count, is it the 3rd one or the 4th, and I have to change my code every time when I have a new project. So I don't recommend doing this. I recommend you target on the URL of your project 2. So for this project, I have a project 2. The URL is new portfolio / project 2. So I will targeting on it. So I will remove the pseudo elements code and then put a square bracket and have a href equals to the URL I just mentioned. Then it's new portfolio / project 2. So now you see that I will refresh the page. So I will refresh the page. You see that now the code only applies to the second image, not the first one, not the third one, not the other images anymore, only to the second one. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know.